Hey guys, today Mr. Paul's gonna do a quick video about adding and subtracting integers. Ta-da! Okay guys, remember the old rule of thumb. When the signs are the same, we add. So if we have a positive and a positive, we're combining them, we add. It's like 3 plus 3. It's going to be 6. Or if we have a negative and a negative, we're combining them. We're going to add those too. So it would be like saying a negative 6 plus a negative 2 is a negative 8. Now, we also have the opposite of when the signs are different. When the signs are different, such as here, we have a positive and a negative. We're combining a positive and a negative sign, or a positive and a negative here, or a negative and a positive. The signs are different, so we subtract it. So a negative 1 plus a positive 3, you subtract them. 3, take away 1 is 2, but your answer is you keep the sign the bigger number or positive 2. So guys, what we end up with is a negative 3. Oh, it's on this side. Gee whiz. The same signs we add, negative 3 and a negative 2 equal a negative 5. Okay, a positive 3 and a positive 2 equal a positive 5. Okay, so when the signs are different over here, I go the wrong way. I went the wrong way. When they're different over here, I get a negative and a positive combined. A negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. I take the sign of the bigger number. 3 is bigger than 2. And then the next one is a positive 3 minus 2. Okay, it equals a positive 1. I once again take the sign of the bigger number. Okay, just hope this helps.